We must defend our rights, or we shall perish. We shall protect others from wonderful. God is the prize, His work we will bring. Then let us rise with the strength of peace. Hail to the earth from consecrated nations. Oh, Fatherland, please hear our soul and rage. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Seal of God will cause the privilege. The waving storm of Greenland glories the fleet shall not rest a flag of liberty.
My beautiful land
Of the rising sun
we are going.
to my papa's land.
My beautiful home
Of the rising sun
we are going.
to my papa's land.
I am meditating. I am a thinker. I am meditating. Yes, I am a thinker. Brainstorming with sober reflection. Yet I am lost. I cannot come to terms. I cannot comprehend. I cannot reconcile their deceit and their lies, their falsehood and their pretenses from reality. You know, criminals living in jungle, they are feeding on with the bread of sorrow. Criminals living in jungle, they are feeding on with the bread of slavery. They may fool my people for some time, they can fool all my people all the time. Hey! No victor, no vanquish,
A very big lie,
no victor, no vanquish.
a very big deceit.
Millions of soldiers were killed in the genocide. Millions of children also died of starvation. Millions of innocent children also died of kwashiorkor. Abandoned properties in the northwest and south. Intimidation, deprivation. Still they say we are one. Oh, no, no, no.
In the animal kingdom,
I am fed up. I am fed up.
in the Zoo Republic,
Some are equal than the others.
in the animal kingdom,
I am fed up. I am fed up.
in the Zoo Republic.
Wickedness everywhere. No victor, no vanquish. May I tell you what you mean? No victor, no vanquish. I can tell you what you mean. It's was an incredible lie against my father's inexplicable disease, against my people. Hey. Imagine using hunger as a weapon of war. 20 pounds maximum withdrawal to every depositor. Say, my people tasted poverty. My people suffer starvation. And millions died of kwashiorkor. You were then telling me no victor, telling me no vanquish, and cooking up all sorts of slogans to fool my people around. I am no longer comfortable with all these lies.
Yes, sir. Once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people wherever you are all over the world, I will say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra. His name is Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo simply say, I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. And certainly one day we will understand the mindset behind those words. And of course, he's standing on a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Beku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom, the one and the only man who stood up to speak for the interest, collective interest of the Biafran people for almost 60 years now. Nobody have been able to do that. Don't misquote me. When I say nobody have been able to stand up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people, I never said nobody stood up to speak for Ogoni. I didn't say nobody stood up to speak for Abo. I never said nobody speak up to speak for Ndi Anambra. After all, Willie Obiano is speaking from Ndi Anambra. I'm talking about Biafrans collectively as a people. Nobody have done this until he came. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is from Afari Beku. Afari Beku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State, and Abia State is Biafra land. By the special grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, I am George Onibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. And we must appreciate the creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the one who has set our feet upon this path that we must follow, for he is the lifting up of our head, for we do not lift up of our eyes to the hills, from where cometh our help. Our help comes from the Lord who made the heavens and the earth, who has promised to keep us from all evil. We will acknowledge him before we go into our discussion this evening, I should say. And in my humble way, I will say, Anye na jage mau, imakwane eziokwu, nemara mai, ihunanya anye nage, ubioma ge, ujuru anyanya dadio, imakwane nwe gimbanwe, odigo nye dekage, ebu wafa no mega. Anine na sina nedemao. Once again, I welcome you, and we must continue. Our topic this evening is simply a country of incredible liars. A country of incredible liars. That is Nigeria. And her associate, I must tell you. Oh, I'm a Nigerian and I want Nigerian. You are a liar. Oh, we're gonna build one Nigeria. We're gonna do. You are a liar. Incredible liars. I tell people, when you say, oh, Satan do this, Satan do that, Satan left Nigeria long ago. Most of you don't know. Of course, you go to Yoruba church. How will you know? You are there abandoning Satan. Some of you go to mosque. You abandon Chetan. Chetan or Satan. You all lie. He's not in Nigeria. He's long gone. Go and pray. You will understand. Fulani Hesmen ki Satan. Boko Haram ki Satan. Miatiala Satan. Nayangudu Satan. Ohanezendibu Satan. Yoruba Yulikon Satan. Miatiala Satan. Fraudulent government Satan. British government do Satan. Everywhere Satan. Satan has long left Nigeria. And I will assure you that on the last day, Satan is going to enter heaven and many of you will be in hell. The information minister of Nigeria, Liar Mohammed, including Adeshino, they lie more than Satan. In fact, if they lie, Satan mind go fly. If Adeshino or Liar Mohammed lie, Satan mind they panic. He will holler immediately and say, God, you are looking at these people and I'm going to hell. They are mad people. A country of incredible life. Are you not ashamed? Look at how many people you have deceived, how many people you have destroyed. Oh, Nigeria. Nigeria that is blessed with natural resources, intellectual human capacity. Nigerian that is supposed to walk among nations of the world with their head lifted high. Nigerian that is supposed to be giant of Africa. Nigerian that is supposed to be the hope of Africa. Look at what you have done. You have produced more widows and made more orphans. Widowers are everywhere. Not to talk of the jobless people. Nigeria, my Nigeria. Nigeria of fraudulent associated countries around the globe. Nigeria, the den of thieves. Nigeria, the Satan abode, but Satan has left you. How evil you are. A country of incredible liars. The truth remains that on the last day, Satan will be vindicated because of the magnitude and the capacity of certain individuals to lie in Nigeria. It's unimaginable. Honestly, I do not expect you to agree with me. But be sincere to yourself. At least you can save yourself and your family. Nigerian will wake up one day and say, oh, monkey swallow money. I understand Michael Jackson monkey used to speak English and wear suit. He didn't steal Michael Jackson money. Nigerian monkey that are very backward. They are stealing money. Rat is even chasing president out of office. Why money meant for WAEC from Biafran people? Python swallow it. And you are a Nigerian. Just give me the video you made against those statements. Show me the press communique you issued against those. I don't want to know what to call it. But you are there saying, how can they say Nigeria is an incredible liar? But you are the incredible liar. This is one of the wonders of the modern world. When they tell you wonders of ancient world, the hanging garden of Eden, and then they tell you tururu. Has Nigerian as a terrorist state? Is Nigeria not a wonder? All of you, shame will kill all of you. No, let's be sincere. A country where snake, they are not even in the zoo, they are not trained snake. Python, they are not trained. We would have assumed that maybe having been trained in the cycles all these years, they can do anything. From one nearby forest, snake just come out, go to WAEC office, swallow all the whole money and walk away. Please, what vitamin does money give to snake? They are incredible liars. And then the next one, another chimpanzee came out and said, as you are talking to you, rats, is it Rudin or Rudin? They are. Rats chase president out of office. Help, help, help. And there are some criminal nations around the world. They will tell you, oh, we give Nigeria 20 billion, they fight Boko Haram. They are giving Nigeria even money to fight rats that chase president out of office. All of you are associates of incredible liars. any country associating with Nigeria in the name of Nigeria, you are evil. You are evil. And you are incredible liar. Let's analyze it. They will wake up, they will come to BBC, CNN, you know, all these fanciful TV station and radio station. The Radio Biafra Radio Biafra is actually analog. It's not fanciful. You go to BBC, CNN, air condition will be blowing you, and then you say, well, the rat in Nigeria, we discovered that they are working with ISIS now and Boko Haram, and as such, we are here to protect human rights and civil rights. We will not let them chase Buhari out of office. And then, so we, as this fraudulent organization, we are giving Nigerian $20 billion to pursue rats. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That your ability to lie is not incredible. It is applicable to any of you helping Nigeria to fight Boko Haram. You are more miserable and you are the criminal. Because Nigeria is Boko Haram and Boko Haram is Nigeria. We told you. But you are not listening to us. You will tell the world who you are. From your ivory tower, you will be brought down. And human beings must begin to be sincere to themselves. A country of incredible liars. They wake up one day, they say, do you know chimpanzees swallow money? And you intellectual, a Nigerian intellectual, you are not saying anything. He says, it's a wonder. Oh. Yes, it's a wonder. Go and put it in the Guinness Book of Record. It's a wonder, honestly. But genuine Biafrans, genuine Homo sapiens across the globe, you must know the truth. Nigeria was created on falsehood. Nigeria is being run on falsehood, and as such must be sustained on falsehood. Make no mistake about it. All you have asked for, all we have asked for is as simple as let Biafra be restored. Not a more, not a less. But they constantly lie to you by giving you flimsy excuses why Biafra must not be restored, why we must forget about Biafra, because so many reasons. They will not benefit from it. They lie. I want you to get it, understand where we are coming from and where we are going to. As Biafrans, we will not ask for anything more than let us go. We can analyze Nigerian news and analyze European news, Caucasian news, all of the news. Our demand still remains simple. Let us go. We are not actualizing Biafra. IPOB is not actualizing Biafra. We do not actualize what existed already. We are here to restore Biafra. That it was in the beginning, that it might also be there in the end. Before they came to our land to terrorize us, we were here. We were Biafrans, and we intended to remain the same. But of course, we must move ahead. And so Biafrans will understand what is at stake. The ability of Nigerian to lie is unimaginable, and I can assure you, you cannot comprehend it. Let's follow them sequentially, one after the other. Maybe you will be able to understand. As I'm talking to you now, they went to Abuja, supposedly elite and founding father of Biafrans, Nyanwodu among others, Iwanyango, including Airpeace Onyema. You can begin to mention their name. Niger Delta never go. Now Southeast go. Now Upland go. Rivera never go. But among the list from Niger Delta of Biafra land I went, you have Airpeace Onyema. You have Iwanyango. You have Nyanwodu. Ohaneze Ndibo Bili na Ndiku. Wanchani Ndibo. They brought, is it 10 million or 10 trillion naira? The money is working already. They announced to you that Operation Python Dance. You know, Nigeria is the only country that claimed they are not zoo. But all their military exercise is named after animal. The Operation Python Dance going on made a publication, issued a press communique and said that if you don't have Nigerian national ID card, Army will come and search your house for your Nigerian national ID card. And as I'm talking to you now, the money they gave to these criminals who went to Abuja representing upland of Biafra land is at work already. And now in Rivers State and other states in the southeast, they are going there community by community, giving you paper to fill your data and even encourage you to photocopy and give to your neighbor. And in your heart of heart, you think you are trying to document yourself. You are documenting your stupidity. South Africa NTM did the same thing. We thought that we were actually keeping data, registering your property. Little did we know they were taking our data. They did it in the guise of BVM. But of course, they know what they are doing. They may give you 2,000, you're claiming, oh, I'm a one Nigeria. We actually registered many Nigerian identification card. None of them got to us. Don't let them deceive you. Because Nigeria is a country of incredible liars. They promise some of you that they will pay you 10,000 naira. And you are very eager to do that. But I don't blame you, you are hungry. That is why I say, go back to Akpu, segment before this one. Say, go and eat Akpu. Eat 3 tablets in a meal. You'll not be hungry that very day. Nobody can buy your conscience. But of course, we must continue. You must understand the ability and capacity of Nigerians to tell lies. Like I said, we ask for one thing and one thing alone, and that is we want to go home. We want Biafra to be restored. And so they tell you, no need for Biafra to be restored. Igbo don't have land. Igbo don't have land. Igbo, you are fighting for Biafra. You don't have land. Okay, Igbo don't have land. We agree. Igbo, sorry, you don't have land. Igbo land in Nigeria is only one plot. Igbo, you don't have land. We agree. You don't have land. That is why Igbo scatter everywhere in the world. We agree. But the same people now are telling you that the same Igbo don't have land. They want Igbo land for Ruga. Incredible liars. Osetiana. But you won't understand. I pray you will understand. Oh, Igbo cannot be Biafra. They can't get Biafra because Igbo don't have land. Igbo is too many. All of a sudden, Igbo is many. But I thought British government rigged the first census of the zoo called Nigeria in favor of the North. And most of you hopeless animal think that Hausa Fulani are more numerous than the Igbos. I'm not saying the Biafran, the only Igbo. But this is not the truth. But Nigeria is a country of incredible liars. We agree. Yes, Hausa Fulani have more population. And they have more land. We give it to them. Now we come back to Biafra land. Igbos don't have land. Now there are many. Okay, let's assume there is a topographic error somewhere. The same Igbo that don't have land, there are so many, they shouldn't talk about Biafra because the one plot of Igbo in Nigeria will not contain them. But to show how fraudulent, criminal-minded you are, how evil you are, Britain and one Nigeria, you still want to take Igbo land for Ruga. Who the heck is deceiving who? And so when they say, oh, we want to give Ruga, cow want to eat grass, tell them Igbo don't have land now. Hausa Fulani have land. They should go there and collect the land now. I hope you're beginning to get it now. Let's go to the next one. I'm using Igbo. Because to destroy Biafra, you use Igbo. And then Aboma will claim nothing concern them. Ijoma will say nothing concern them. Akwa Iboma will claim nothing concern them. Ubu Burati Napa, all of them. We say, nothing concern us, my gala. But he will concern you. He no concern you. I didn't call you, I call Igbo. You see Igbo, that is a evil. After all, Kitewe Hon Shonwa, Yakiri. You are in jail. You people don't know what is coming. Let's go to the next one. Igbos are landlocked. It's no longer trending on social media. I used to hear Igbo cannot get Biafra because Igbo is a landlocked. Igbo is a landlocked. How many countries in the world is a sea lock? How many countries in the world, most world power are landlocked? And they are doing fine. But to tell you Nigerians are a country of incredible liar, They project this lie with Yoruba propaganda media backed by BBC and CNN. There are other fraudulent criminal entity around the globe supporting them. They begin to tell you, oh, Igbos are landlocked. Igbo don't have river. It's okay. Igbo don't have river. Sokoto and Sambisa Forest don't have river. And so if they can build a dry dock in Sambisa Forest and this desert, what do they call the desert? Sahara Desert. Nigerian has built landlocked. What do they call the seaport of desert? Is it, they can't build it in Igbo land, right? You are incredible liars. Oh, Igbo, don't talk about Biafra again. You are landlocked. But we have dry dock in Sambisa Forest and Sahara Desert. Oh, Igbo is landlocked. They cannot rise. How many countries in the world actually sea lock? We agree and said, okay, Igbo is landlocked. It's okay. But we still want Biafra. Leave us as landlocked. After all, it's our land that is locking now. It's not your land. We agree. Igbo is landlocked. Igbo is landlocked. Everywhere you see Igbo, they are all landlocked. We agree. Now our land lock now. No be your land lock now. Leave us inside landlocked now. And they won't agree. Osetiana. Nigeria is a country of incredible liar. Let us progress. Igbo don't love themselves. Igbo don't love themselves. It doesn't rain any longer. And Igbo don't love themselves. Now the Kanu must bail himself. Our leader must bail himself with 300 trillion US gold coin. Not even pounds or dollar. Igbo don't love themselves. Many people moved forward to pay for the bail. Bail conditions, stringent, unconditional, unimaginable, fraudulent bail condition given to our leader. There were many people on the line. They were dragging, oh, Nami go pay, Nami go pay. I wish I have that kind of money. All those people who paid for his bail condition would not have had the privilege, because I would have done that myself. But Igbo don't love themselves. Igbo hate themselves. Yoruba love themselves. Showore is rotting in DSS dungeon. They have reduced the money. Yoruba, you love yourself. Go and bring out Showore, Ndiushi, Barawu Dambanza, Ulinie. You can't get Biafra because Igbo don't love themselves. They will kill themselves. If we don't love ourselves, is it your loving that is loving us? Yeah. Igbo don't love themselves. Don't talk about Biafra. You don't love yourself.